Hello, I am Michael Juanino, and in this section, we will be talking about vulnerability scans. Generally, vulnerability scans are passive tests to see what weaknesses there are in a network. The main goal of these scans are to obtain as much information about a network as possible. These scans can be further broken down into four types of scans: non-intrusive, intrusive, non-credentialed, and credentialed. A non-intrusive scan gathers as much information as possible without affecting the system. No exploitation is involved, and the scan is ran in the background undetected. An example of such a scan would be a port scanner. An intrusive scan, on the other hand, will try to exploit open ports found by the non-intrusive scan. Using a username and password, the intrusive scan then can gain access to the system. A downside to such a scan is that it may cause adverse effects and even crash the network. Now we will talk about non-credentialed and credentialed scans. A non-credential scan is where a user cannot log into a remote device but can reveal a quick view of the network services that are exposed by that host. The process emulates a stranger from the outside to see how far one can get. Finally, a credentialed scan emulates an insider. This exposes more information about the system network that would not be available to a non-credentialed user. A downside to this scan is that it is not stealth and can be logged. In conclusion, we discussed non-intrusive, intrusive, non-credentialed, and credentialed scans. We defined each, gave examples, and also the pros and cons.